My office is going to be lit soon. So this is going to be the paint color. I'll do that later after they do the floor.
Okay. Entonces, ya yo te saqué todo. Vamos, me ayude ahí. O si tú crees que tú puedes ir moviéndolo aquí adentro, mejor.
No, vamos a cerrarlo porque quitar la alfombra. Ya,
That's going to be neater. So these are going to be my floor. So excited.
Got a lot of D. Who poppin' like a P when he be hopping out the V? And who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her degree? When we say soccer summer, we ain't talking about degrees. Who won't follow me? Like who don't follow me? Cause even in your new bitch, I can see a lot of me. And honestly, I'm honored cause that shit be comedy. You ain't put me in no brands, but I see you proud of me. I'm just a real lad. Give up about it. I'm a real lad. And we really with this. Put this on you. Give up about that. I get that and then I grab my shit and then I did. Woo!
I don't think I'm gonna paint the walls gray anymore. Kind of like this like creamy feel, you know? So I think I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave this here to cover it, the little paint spot. But otherwise, I'm so happy. I hope I'm productive now. I'm gonna try to build this desk like a strong black woman. You know the vibe. Let's just ignore this because it's not going in. And I am tired. Look who's already up being productive. Oh, it's me. I'm like so focused. Such a nice, productive girl. You know? The freak happened in here? What the freak? So this is my goal today, to organize this mess. I'm so embarrassed to even show this. So the goal is to get all of this crap cleared up. So let's see. The freak happened in here? What the freak? So this is my goal today, to organize this mess. I'm so embarrassed to even show this. So the goal is to get all of this crap cleared up. So let's see. We're gonna find out if this is even possible. So I'm still not done because I don't know if I should get an L-shaped desk right there and then put an ottoman thing at the window. I already have one in the garage, so all I would have to do is just like change the covers. Decisions.